Hello JV partners, this is Paul Pona. After 10 back-to-back million-dollar blockbusters, we're back with another first-to-market technology launch. Get ready for some massive commissions, huge cash prizes, and above all, a top-quality product that you and your customers are going to love. After over 2 years in the making, we're finally ready with DesignBeast, our newest creation. It is the first of its kind, all-in-one design, animation, and graphics suite powered by artificial intelligence. This futuristic technology suite uses the latest innovations in machine learning and extensive research to save customers thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours of manual work. Your customers are going to get 6 multi-purpose design and animation technologies for a low one-time price, including a full-feature all-in-one design and mock-up engine featuring a huge library of over 7,000 ready-to-use customizable design templates perfectly sized for all the popular social platforms. Any design that you can imagine, you can create in minutes from scratch or with our ready-to-use templates in any language. This is unlike any other graphic design and animation app out there. So check out the first-to-market features included below on this page to be blown away. The second app is the groundbreaking 3D live motion photo animator technology that lets you transform boring still photos into dynamic moving visuals with stunning effects to wow your audiences and stand out from the crowd. Dynamic, moving animated visuals are proven to get up to 10 times more engagement than regular still photos. So this is perfect to grab more eyeballs, get more clicks, and slash your ad costs by half. The third app is our game-changing magic object removal tool. Selectively remove any objects, people, or any element that you choose from your photos within seconds. Accurate object removal technology like this is not available in any other app, especially for such a low one-time price. And the fourth app is the ultimate AI-powered one-click background removal tool to easily erase backgrounds from any photos within seconds. This powerful machine learning technology auto-detects the edges and objects in your photos and automatically erases the background. You never have to select the object or manually draw borders around the objects like other competing apps. Also included is the most comprehensive and versatile multi-layered slick image editor technology, the fifth app in the package. Edit your photos like the professionals without any complicated apps. Edit, resize, enhance, or add filters to turn blurry and unappealing photos into stunning visuals ready to print or publish online. And the next app included is our famous artificial intelligence logo creator. This logo design app is unlike anything that you've ever seen before. You can now bulk create 50 logo variations for any brand in 3 easy steps. Just type in your brand name, select a logo style, and let the machine learning AI generate 50 customizable logo designs in a flash. You have total control over the customization process. Select the logo you like and customize the colors, fonts, and shapes. And with this all-inclusive design technology, your customers will be able to replace multiple complicated design apps, expensive freelancers, and save thousands on subscription fees. Customers can add cool stickers, filters, photo effects, change backgrounds of any photos, make brochures, collages, image overlays, create memes, upscale existing photos, manipulate and animate images with our revolutionary multi-layer technology that includes millions of stock photos, icons, fonts, shapes, and elements for unlimited possibilities. This is guaranteed to be another million-dollar blockbuster due to all the incredible value packed into this app. You simply cannot go wrong with our impeccable track record of delivering back-to-back million-dollar launches in the past 4 years. So get ready for a huge payday. We are giving away $30,000 in prizes, commission bumps, and surprise contests throughout the launch. We're also going to be going all out with some huge JV prizes, massive advertising and retargeting budgets, along with our world-class marketing team to ensure that you make massive commissions throughout the entire launch. And don't forget to mail early so that you can get your cookies hard-coded. We're also going to be paying 50 cents for every lead that you send us throughout the entire pre-launch. Send us the traffic and we will convert it to sales. We will sell the entire funnel for you on our pre-launch webinar. Our pre-launch webinars are known and proven to convert and earn thousands in commissions for our affiliates. So get ready for your biggest promo this year. So mark down the date and time now. We will also be building some massive launch buzz, doing webinars and promoting our entire list throughout the launch. Our aggressive retargeting campaigns will ensure you keep getting sales throughout the end of the launch, and your customers will be lining up to click on the buy button when we go live. On behalf of my business partner Sid Diwar and our entire team, I would like to thank you for being a part of this great launch in advance. And I'm looking forward to reciprocate and make an impact for your future launches. Mark down the date and time now. This is going to be huge, and we will be reciprocating on your future launches and give back in a big way. So sign up for all the latest updates on this page right now. We'll be getting in touch with more updates very soon.